South India emerges as the economic powerhouse of India. Over the past few decades, India has witnessed a significant geographic shift in its economic landscape. Southern states such as Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu have surged ahead, taking the lead of the nation's economic engines, according to the recent study. The working paper released by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister delves into a gross state domestic product trends of each state from 1960 to 1961 to 2023 to 2024, offering insight into how the balance of economic power has shifted from the north to south. When and how the post-liberalizations era and its impact. The turning point in this economic transitions can be traced back to the liberalizations reform of 1991. Before this period, the southern state, while contributing to the national GDP, did not stand out as a front runners. For instance, in 1960 to 1961, Andhra Pradesh contributed 7.7% to the India's GDP, a figure that remained stringent for the next 3 decades. However, the post-1991 reform, the economic fortunes of the southern state changed drastically. Andhra Pradesh share in the national GDP increased to 8.2% by 2000 to 2001, and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu followed suit with sharp rises. By the 2023-2024, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and the Tamil Nadu collectively contributed nearly 30% of India's GDP. This growth was accompanied by the remarkable rise in the per capita income, with the state like Telangana and Karnataka boosting per capita income that were nearly double the national average. The fall of northern economic powerhouse. In a stark contrast to the rapid economic ascents of the southern state, northern states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar have experienced a decline in their economic dominance. In the 1960s, Uttar Pradesh was the India's economic powerhouse, contributing 14.4% to the national GDP. Bihar too held a significant positions, ranking fifth with the 7.8% share of GDP. Yet by 2023 to 2024, Uttar Pradesh contributions had dropped to the 8.4%, while Bihar's share stood at just 4.3%. This decline is particularly pronounced when examining her capita income. Bihar's per capita income plummeted from 70.3% of the national average in 1960 to 1961 to the mere 32.8% in the 2023 to 2024. Uttar Pradesh fared slightly better but still saw a sharp decline, with its per capita income falling to 50.8% of the national average, illustrating widening economic disparity within India. India's shifting economic landscape. Conclusion. India's economic narrative is now increasingly shaped by northern states, which have capitalized on liberalizations, innovation and infrastructure development. In contrast, the economic decline of northern states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar underscores the challenges of uneven development across the country.